Welcome to Tech Explorer, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of smartphones. Today, we have something special for all tech enthusiasts, the Nothing Phone 3A. Nothing has taken the smartphone market by storm with its minimalistic yet futuristic approach. And the Phone 3A is another example of how the brand continues to innovate while staying true to its core philosophy: transparent aesthetics, smooth performance, and a unique user experience. This device features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display, a powerful Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, a triple camera setup, and a massive 5,000 mAh battery. But what truly sets it apart is its signature glyph lighting design, an extra customizable button, and a refined Nothing OS 3.1 based on Android 15. Let's dive deeper into what makes the Nothing Phone 3A a game-changer. Nothing has established itself as a brand that prioritizes unique, eye-catching design, and the Phone 3A carries forward this tradition. The transparent back panel, a defining feature of Nothing phones, gives us a peek inside the hardware, creating a futuristic aesthetic that no other brand offers. The glyph lighting system, one of the most talked about features, returns with more customization options than ever before. With LED strips placed strategically across the back, the glyph interface allows users to assign different light patterns for notifications, calls, and even music sync. Whether you're in a meeting, at a party, or simply want a distraction-free experience, the Nothing Phone 3A's glyph system keeps you connected without needing to check your screen constantly. A new extra button has been introduced, adding another layer of customization. This button can be assigned for different tasks such as quick launching the camera, activating silent mode, toggling the flashlight, or even launching specific apps. This small addition enhances usability, making everyday tasks faster and more convenient. The Nothing Phone 3A sports a 6.8-inch AMOLED display that delivers rich colors, deep blacks, and an ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching high-resolution videos, or playing games, this display provides a buttery-smooth and immersive experience. With full HD+ resolution, every detail on the screen appears sharp and vibrant, and HDR10+ support enhances video quality for streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime Video. The adaptive refresh rate ensures that when you're browsing static content, the display drops to a lower refresh rate to save battery, while it ramps up to 120 Hz when needed for smooth animations. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A is powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, offering a great balance of power and efficiency. This chipset is designed to handle daily multitasking, gaming, and AI-driven applications with ease. Whether you're editing photos, switching between apps, or playing high-end games, the Phone 3A delivers a smooth and lag-free experience. With LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, the phone ensures fast uploading times and seamless multitasking. The optimization of Nothing OS 3.1 further enhances performance, making sure that the phone remains snappy and fluid even after prolonged usage. The Nothing Phone 3A is equipped with a versatile triple camera setup, featuring 50MP primary sensor captures high-quality photos with rich details, accurate colors, and excellent dynamic range. 50MP telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom, ideal for capturing distant subjects with great clarity. Optical zoom ensures that details remain sharp without digital noise. 8MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for landscape shots and group photos, offering a 120-degree field of view. The camera system is AI-enhanced, providing night mode, HDR, and real-time scene optimization, ensuring that you get the best shots regardless of lighting conditions. Video recording supports up to 4K resolution, with advanced stabilization features making it a great choice for content creators. A smartphone that looks great and performs well should also have a battery that lasts. The Nothing Phone 3A packs a massive 5,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage even with heavy tasks like gaming, video streaming, and multitasking. With 45W wired fast charging, you can go from 0 to 50% in just 25 minutes, making sure you never have to wait long to power up your device. Additionally, the Phone 3A supports wireless charging, giving you the convenience of a cable-free charging experience. In today's fast-paced digital world, connectivity matters. The Nothing Phone 3A supports 5G connectivity, providing super-fast download speeds, low latency, and a seamless browsing experience. Whether you're streaming 4K content, playing online multiplayer games, or video calling, 5G ensures lag-free performance. Other connectivity features include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for contactless payments, and a USB-C port. The stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support ensure an immersive audio experience, whether you're watching movies or listening to music. Running on Android 15 with Nothing OS 3.1, the Nothing Phone 3A delivers a bloat-free, fast, and intuitive software experience. Nothing has focused on keeping things minimal yet powerful, ensuring that the UI remains clean, smooth, and highly customizable. Some key software features include glyph interface customization, set different LED light patterns for calls, notifications, and alarms. Extra button customization, assign different tasks for quick access. AI-optimized performance enhances battery efficiency and smoothens UI transitions. Privacy-focused features ensuring user security with advanced data protection. The Nothing Phone 3A is a breath of fresh air in the smartphone industry, offering unique design elements, a smooth software experience, and solid performance at a competitive price. If you're looking for a phone that stands out from the crowd, delivers great cameras, a stunning display, and practical features like an extra customizable button and glyph lighting, then the Phone 3A is an excellent choice. So, what do you think about the Nothing Phone 3A? Is this the best looking phone of the year? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more exciting smartphone content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.